Taimya and the Little Car Company have shared new information about the Wild 1 Max, an enlarged version of Taimya's iconic RC buggy. The Max boasts improved specs, including a larger motor and 14.4 kilowatt-hour of battery packs. It can travel an estimated 68 miles off-road and 124 miles on-road, with a top speed of 62 miles per hour. The vehicle features off-road tires, adjustable dampers and springs, along with 10.6 inches of ground clearance. The Max is slightly larger than previously mentioned, measuring 141.7 inches long and 74.8 inches wide. Inside, passengers will find Cobra bucket seats, a 5-inch digital dash, and marine-type switches. The first 100 Maxes will be launch editions, which come with additional perks such as a carbon fiber dashboard, key fob, and a real RC Wild 1 model kit. Pricing starts at around $45,000. The Little Car Company is known for creating high-quality toy cars for adults, like the Aston Martin DB5 Junior and Bugatti Baby 2. The Wild 1 Max is a kit, offering the nostalgic experience of building and driving the vehicle. It comes with diesels and upgrade options for appearance and performance. The Max measures 137.8 inches long and weighs approximately 551 pounds, accommodating drivers up to 6.5 feet tall. It has rear-wheel drive, hydraulic Brembo disc brakes, and a single electric motor powered by a 2 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The base top speed is 30 miles per hour, with the ability to add power and battery capacity through upgrade packs. The Wild 1 Max will be road legal in the UK and EU, but not in the US. Various upgrade packs are available to make it road legal in different regions, including as a neighborhood electric vehicle in the US. The starting price for the Max is $8250, and a refundable $140 deposit secures a place on the build list, allowing customers to provide input on diesels and features.